Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Yeah, this video is just about not all, but yeah. Like, if anybody watches me in the States where hurricanes are, because I don't, I live in Indiana and there's no hurricanes here because I'm not anywhere near close to, like, oceans and stuff like that, or seas. So anybody that is experiencing a hurricane, then just stay safe because it can be bad for you guys. Yeah, if you guys are living there, anybody who watches this, even if you're not subscribed to me, and then this just popped up when I searched up hurricanes or weather or something like that. Stay safe. I know it's not the weekend, but this had to be done. Stay safe.